It's hard.
Go see what Jacob's up to. Hey Jacob, it's a new dawn.
It's a new day. Don't get out.
Typical. Hey Jacob,
Go on.
have you seen this view yet? This is about the best view I think I've ever seen. Look at that tarmac, man. That's the best. And over there we had to have a beach, but that's garbage. Look at that tarmac. And here we have an exotic ant species. Very exotic. Hey guys, it's the next day, and today we're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I think we're definitely going to the July 4th fireworks, and we're gonna be doing a little bit of shopping today. So I'll bring you guys along for that, and yeah, let's go.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Happy July 4th to all you Americans. Right now we're just headed off to the mall. Gonna go buy some stuff. Jacob.
Yes.
Jacob.
Yes.
What's that white stuff on your face? This whole entire mountain burned yesterday. And that side didn't, but you can see the difference right there. Made a quick stop for some fresh fruit. Yay, we get long sticks of bamboo to eat. Chicken dinner. It's about ate its own chick. What the heck are you doing? Okay, so we've made it to the mall area, so now we're gonna go shopping. My favorite. Jacob, look. Do you want some? What's your favorite? Don't mind if I do. Only if Jacob were here. What the hell? Chapped or what? I'm just walking alone and I have no idea what to do. Hey Jacob, it's your favorite section.
Darn it, you found it.
Ah, look at this place. Whose idea was it to put a car on the roof? We're just finishing up our shopping day and now we're going to a fishing store.
Floats and you can pop. Crystal minnows do good. They're
Okay, so now we're going on like a boat tour thing. It's gonna take us to the fireworks for the 4th of July, so it's gonna be really, really cool.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. See you later.